Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss APGP few sums. Okay, already discussed in previous class APGP. Okay, all of you know the formula. Yes, formula means again I am reminding the formula. There is suppose A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay, L is the last term, Tn or L. Then Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and sum of n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, sum of n terms, n by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into D, or another formula n by 2 into a plus L, that is L is the last term. Okay, L is the last term. Now I am giving few sums. Okay, now write find the fifth term of the AP. Okay, AP given, find the fifth term. Question number 1 from AP few sums. Okay, AP arithmetic progression. Find the find the 15th term. Okay, sorry, 15th term of the AP given 18, 12, 6, 0. Okay, this is an AP. Okay, 18 that is 15th term. So find out. First you have to write let A equal to 18, first term. Okay, now D, write D equal to common difference, second term minus first term. See, 12 minus 18, that is minus 6. Okay, all of you know the formula Tn. Yes, so write Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, n minus 1 into D. Just put the value. So T15 equal to A means 18 plus n minus n 15 minus 1 into D means minus 6. So write 18 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into minus 6. So 18 minus 84. Okay, 6, 6, that is minus 66. Okay, minus 66. Copy first. A equal to here 18, A equal to 18, D equal to 12 minus 18 minus 6, then Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So according to this formula, A equal to 2, put 18, n equal to 15 minus 1, D equal to minus 6. Just you have to simplify it. Okay. Now next sum. Question number 2. Right. In AP, fifth term and 13th term is given. So write question number 2. Write in AP, write T5 equal to given 16 and T13 is given 28. Find the common difference and first term. So write let first term equal to A. Let first term equal to A, common difference equal to B. So write T5, that is right, T5 A plus 5 minus 1 into D equal to 16. So write A plus 4D equal to 16. Number 1 equation. According to formula, T5 is given. Okay, so A plus 5 minus 1 into d equal to 16. So a plus 4d equal to 16. Okay, question number 1. And 13, t13 is given. So a plus 12d, 13 minus 1, 12d, okay, equal to 28. A plus 13 minus 1 into d equal to 28. That is a plus 12 equal to 28, number 2. Okay. Now these two equations you have to subtract. So right, plus minus this can sign, okay. This is minus, okay, plus a minus a cancel. This minus this, so right, minus 8d. Sign change, okay. So it will be here minus 12. Okay, 28 minus 28 plus 16. Okay, minus 12. So write d equal to 12 by 8. So 4 3 here, okay, 3 by 2. That is cancel 4 3 is 12 and 4 8. Okay, 2 is 3 by 2. Now d equal to 3 by 2. Now d equal to 3 by 2. You put the value here. First equation, question number 1. Now write a plus 4d equal to 16. So a equal to write 16 here. So 3 by a plus 4 into 3 by 2 equal to 16. So 2 to the 4. Here write a plus 6 equal to 16. So write a equal to 10. Okay, a equal to 10. Understood? So write 16 minus 6. So a equal to 10. So this type of sum you have to solve in this process. This process equal to, okay. So t, again I am reminding, t5 given and t13 is given. Similarly, first term a, common difference d, that is a plus 5 minus 1 into d, 16, a plus 4d equal to 16, and a plus, there are 13 terms, a plus 12d equal to 28. Then you have to solve d equal to 3 by 2, and any one equation you have to put the value, you will get a, that is a plus 6 equal to 16, a equal to 10. Okay. Now question number 3. Okay. Right. Similar sum you will do at home. Okay. Question number 3, right? Question number 3. Here is given. Okay. Tens terms of an AP is minus 15. Right. In APT 10 equal to minus 15, and 31st term is given minus 57. So T31 equal to minus 57. Okay. T31 equal to minus 57. Okay. Find A, that is first term, and common difference. Same type of sum. Okay. So A plus 9d equal to, right, minus 15. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference. Okay. And so T10 is given. So write A plus 9d equal to minus 15, and here is a plus 30d equal to minus 57. Okay, you have to subtract this relation. So minus, here plus. So this is cancelled. So it will be here 21d. Okay, minus 21d equal to, here is 42. Okay, yes, 42. So d equal to minus 2. Okay, common difference d equal to minus 2, and find the value of a. Just put the value. A plus 9d equal to minus 15. So a plus 9 into minus 2 equal to minus 15. a minus 18 equal to minus 15, that is a equal to 3. So right, therefore a equal to 3. A equal to 3 and d equal to minus 2. D equal to minus 2. These two value. Okay. Next, right first. This is a very important sum. Okay. All of you remember this type of sum is very important, and council will give this type of sum. In board exam, you will get this type of sum. Whatever I am giving study material and I am explaining here, all of you practice at home nicely. Okay. These are very, very important sum. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Right. A square plus twice a plus 2. Okay. 3a square plus 6a plus 6 and 4a square plus 5a plus 4. See, here 3 terms are given and the terms are in AP. Then find the value of A. 3 terms are in AP. Then find the value of A. Okay. So all of you know the condition? Yes. What is the condition? Yes, good. B minus A equal to C minus B. If 3 terms ABC are in AP, then we can write B minus A equal to C minus B. Okay? B minus A equal to C minus B. So right. So this is suppose A, this is B, this is C. Okay? So we can write 3a square plus 6a plus 6. Okay? Minus a square plus 2a plus 2 equal to write 4a square plus 5a plus 4 minus you have to write 3a square plus 6a plus 6. Okay? 3 terms are in AP. So you can write T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Similar way. So that's T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Okay. Now just simplify it. See, 3a square here minus a square. So you can write. Okay. So 3a square minus a square. This is 2a square. 6a minus 2a will be 4a, right? 4a plus 6 minus 2 plus 4 equal to here also 4a square minus 3a square, this is a square, 5a minus 6a, that is minus a, and here minus 6. Okay, so all times you take one side. So right, 2a square minus a square will be a square, 4a, this will be plus a, that side will be 5a, here is 12, sorry, plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. So right, 2a square plus 2, 3a square plus 6a plus 6, 4a square plus 5a plus 4. So here 3a square plus 6a plus 6 minus 2a square plus 2 plus 2 equal to 4a square plus 4a plus 4. Here minus 3a square plus 6a plus 6. So 3a square minus a square, 2a square, 6a minus 2a, 4a, 6 minus 2, 4. Here 4a square minus 3a square will be a square 5a minus 6a, so it will be minus a, okay, 5a minus 6 is minus a, and 4 minus 6, oh see here, 4 minus 6, okay, this is minus 6, you take so that side 10 0, see, so a we can write here, okay, value is there, it is not possible 5 to 10, here is 5a is given, okay, so right, so a equal to write minus b plus minus root under, okay, b square minus 4ac, that is b square 25 minus 4 into a means 1, c equal to 10 by 2a, so 2 into 1, okay, so they write minus 5 plus minus root under, all of the formula, using formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, okay, so here imaginary quantity is coming, okay, 40 so minus 15 by 2, so here no real value is there, okay, so sum is most probably mistakes is there, okay, here mistakes are there, sum is, so here a is no real value, so according to you find the value, okay, this is the process. If three terms are in AP, then we can write b minus a equal to c minus b. Here it is not solved, here discriminant will be negative, so here is no real value, okay, so sum is, any mistakes are there here, okay, any mistakes are there, 5a plus 4, yes, very mistake, 3a square 2a square, 6a minus 2a 4a plus 6 minus 2, here that is 4, 3a square is square, 5a minus 6a minus a, okay, no problem, this is the process, okay, next. Now here is 1 minute, say, divide one some wait, yes, I write divide 21 into 3 parts, okay, such that the product of the first and second part is 21. The 3 numbers, okay, divide 3 numbers, 21, the numbers are in AP, okay, divide 21 into 3 parts, the parts are in AP, such that the product of the first and the second part is 21, okay, so right. Next sum, question number 5, write divide 21 into 3 parts, okay, the parts are given here in AP, 3 parts are in AP, okay, so divide 21 in 3 parts such that the product of the first and second is 21. Okay, so 3 parts, suppose T1, T2, T3, okay, and product of first and second part, that is T1, T2 equal to given 21 and T1 plus T2 plus T3 equal to 21. This is given. The numbers are in AP, here product of first and second is 21 and their sum is 21. Find the numbers. Let here see 3 parts are given in AP, so we can write the numbers are, okay, A minus D, A plus D. Then see the 3 numbers are in AP. three numbers, a minus d, a plus d. Okay, three numbers are in AP. So their sum is 21. So we can write, see, 3a. If we add, look at here, a minus d plus a plus d equal to 21. Okay. So 3a minus d equal to, so d cancel. Okay. Plus d minus cancel will be 21. That is a equal to 7. Okay. A equal to 7. And the product of is given 21. Product of first term and second term. Okay. See, this is the first term, this is the second term. Okay. So you can write here, look at here, a minus d into a equal to 21. Already you got a equal to 7. Just we put the value 7 into 7 minus d. 7 into 7 minus d equal to 21. So write 7 minus d equal to 3. Here d equal to 4. Okay, d equal to 4. So a equal to 7, d equal to 4. So the numbers are a minus d, 7 minus 4. Okay, so a minus d, that is 7 minus 4, 3, and a, this is 7, and a plus d, 11. Okay, so three numbers are 3, 7, and 11. See, your sum is correct or not, you have to verify. See, you add these 3, 3 plus 7 plus 11 equal to 21, and product of, see, these two product, 3 into 7, 21. Okay. Not understood? Yes, very good. So here, three numbers are in 3, 7, 11. Okay. Now, next. Right, another sum writing. In AP, Tx, that is x term is 1 by y and y term is 1 by x. Prove that sum of xy terms equal to half into xy plus 1. See, given question number A, right? 6. Given Tx equal to 1 by y and Ty equal to 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x. So prove that, to prove s of xy, that is sum of xy terms equal to half of xy plus 1. Similarly you have to write, so let first term equal to a, common difference equal to d. So write Tx is given. So Tx is a plus x minus 1 into d equal to 1 by y, and a plus y minus 1 into d equal to 1 by x. You have to subtract these two. So write a cancel. So x minus y of d plus 1 minus is cancel equal to 1 by y minus 1 by x. So x minus y of d equal to x minus y by xy. So write d equal to 1 by xy. Okay, d equal to 1 by xy. Okay, now these values put here, any one equation, either this equation or this equation we put. Say, if we put the value, say here is given, so a plus x minus 1 into d equal to 1 by y. Thus we put the value a plus x minus 1 by xy equal to 1 by y. Okay, now a plus x into 1 by xy 1 by y minus 1 by xy equal to 1 by y. Okay, so this y cancel, so a equal to 1 by xy. So right, a equal to this cancel, so a equal to 1 by xy. Okay, so d also 1 by xy, a equal to also 1 by xy. So find out sum, that is sum of xy terms. So write xy. Okay, sxy equal to write xy by 2 into 2a plus xy minus 1 into d. So write xy by 2, 2a, you know 1 by xy, so it will be 2 by xy. Okay, 2 by xy plus xy minus 1, d also 1 by xy. Just you simplified xy by 2, so 2 by xy, here xy into 1 by xy, 1 minus xy. Okay, so we can write 2 by xy, 1 by xy plus 1. Okay, 2 by xy plus xy into 1 by xy, 1 minus 1 by xy. So here 2 by xy minus 1 by xy equal to 1 by xy plus 1 is there. Okay, now you have to simplify it. So we can write, so xy by 2, so s of xy, you can write xy by 2 1 plus xy by xy. So this xy cancel, these two cancel, so write half into 1 plus xy. Okay, so proved s of xy, that is sum of xy terms equal to half into 1 plus xy. Okay, all of you understood? All of you remember the formula, keep in mind. Okay, if you do not remember the formula, then you can't solve. So formula is very, very important. Okay, sum of n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into first term a plus n. Okay, so formula all of you remember. Okay, already I gave few sums from exercise sums, you have to practice at home. Okay, and next I will in class I will do GP, geometrical progression. Okay, understood? Okay, bye. No more today.